Hello guys, welcome to our channel Cracksoft. Today I will show you how to go live with OBS Studio software. OBS Studio is a free and open source video recording and live streaming software. With this software you can do live streaming to Facebook, Twitter and many other websites. If you are new to this channel then do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's start. First of all, download the file from the link given in the description and extract the file. Now open the folder and run the software. Now here is the basic interface of the OBS Studio software. This is the preview panel, this is the scene panel and this is source panel. You can add different sources from this panel to scene. This is audio mixer, this is scene transition. Here we can add different scenes like scene 2. Here we can add any photo, video, audio input, video input, images. Let's select image and choose from here. Let's select this image and set the size. Now select the scene 2 and add another file. Let's select this image. Now if we click here, the transition is used fade. You can add different transition to here, that slide. Now if we click here, then it will slide the window. Here audio mixer is given. This is audio mixer. If you click here and click on audio input capture and select the mic, it will show up here the sound bar and this is desktop sound. You can manually up or down the volume of mic. Now here are the different control options for the live broadcasting and recording. Here there are different menus. File menu. Here we can show our past recordings, the setting window and other options. Here we can edit, transform, scaling and other options. Here we can see different options such as full screen interface. We can open another menu bar and we can also open the multi-view window. Here we can directly select the other camera. This is output window and this is preview. Now here scene selection window. Here we can add, duplicate, rename the different scenes. Here are the toolbar and the help option. Now if I want to add text to the scene, click here and add the text set and click it to here. Now we can see in the view there are 3 scenes and the default transition is slide. Now we change it to fade. Now if I want here the another window, then we add window and click on this. It is very useful in presentation. Now here also I can add VLC video. as I have added this song. Now the next thing is the studio mode. Press here, and the one window is preview window and the another window is program window. This gives output and this is preview. If you press on scene 2, then it will look like here this, and now if you press here, then the action is applied. If you again press here, then it will come back to scene 1. Now we will see how to start streaming on Facebook. First open Facebook and click on live video. Use stream key and click on copy to the stream key, and now open the settings and open stream settings and paste it to here and press apply. Now press on start streaming. As this way you can go live on the Facebook. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video, share the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.